niggas, bitches, me.
Привет. Папа пишет мне параллельно.
My mind went.
Now I done grew around some niggas that called me some drama. Swear when you make it, niggas say you owe them. Swear they think they your mama. Everybody with their hands out, they always ask me, they know that I got it. My biggest fear is going broke, can't say no, that's my problem. I wanted that Rolls Royce, young boy, looking to make a bad choice. Said I got fucked up when mom went to jail, I heard a little voice.
Здравствуйте. Можно к вам? Нет, нельзя. Суй сюда карточку, чтобы все включить. Вот сюда.